boxes. So I know how they ride. I don't want to be like not the statistic where we go and continue the brand. I would want to, but we have the channel, so we want to definitely give you reviews. But it's been great reviews straight out, so I don't think I'm gonna add on to it. But definitely gonna get Fortunato to try them out.
All right. Well,
so far so good. I want to jinx myself, but
and welcome back.
Yep.
Again, last night was horrible. Long story short, the AOS or whatever you want to call it, the one with the... Alright, so they basically connected wrong. They installed the lines wrong. Then we rerouted the right way this time. So we're just testing it and to see if that's the case and that's the problem. I mean, hopefully it is what it is.
So far, so good. I'm not sure how many minutes it took them for it to overheat. Did you experience it after a while? How long it was when you bought the car?
Overheating. When I was driving around the block, it was like going up there. Yeah, that's bad.
Yeah, it's the coilovers that's making all that noise. It's just so bad. Look how push it. Look at that shit. You know why?
Why?
Raceland coilovers. Don't get Raceland, please. Don't do that to yourself.
Bro.
Yo, it's not overheating.
It's not? It's good.
It's in the middle. It's chilling. Like Fred explained before, he believed it was the head gaskets. We drained the fluids. No milkshake. Nothing at all. No signs of it. We did find it in the EOS.
True.
And then that's when we started following the hoses, and they were all in the incorrect spot. So we started rerouting them to the correct spot, doing some more research. We did that. We cleaned it out. We opened it up. After that, we cleaned that out. We flushed the entire system. We put in the correct coolant because this car had green coolant. So we put the blue coolant, new oil. Oil was burnt. And so far, so good.
Damn, I'm jealous because you guys could have Fortunato. And I asked. I went to the website and
they don't make it for your car, right?
Yeah, I contacted
But then what about now?
Huh?
What about now? Maybe they made something.
No, I recently contacted them. They said nope. I said wow. I love this bag. But I prefer red.